Today I will tell you about the slow and fast organic boosters which you can provide to your flowering plant. I have taken three different type of hibiscus plants. First two are non-hybrid hibiscus plant and the last one, which is black in color, is a hibiscus red hybrid plant. So through this demonstration I will show you. Now I am showing you the first hibiscus plant, which is non-hybrid. It is producing buds but not much in number, and it is having deficiency. So this is the reason I'm showing you its buds. So if we talk about the next hibiscus plant, this is non-hybrid and it has stopped giving flowers. Earlier it was giving flowers in this summer season. Now coming to the all these plants, I will show you its deficiencies and I will let you know what kind of organic booster you can use in these pots. So this is the purpose for which I have made today's video. First is the peels of citrus family. This is the peel of Mosami fruit. Also I am having the peels of lemon, dry lemon. All these two organic boosters, these are slow in nature. These help the hibiscus plant in flowering. Also lemon plant make the alkaline soil acidic. So you can also use these dry peels in the soil of hibiscus plant in case it's not flowering. Now I will show you how you are supposed to dig all these organic peels. First of all, I am also showing you the coffee sachet. The coffee sachet is actually the very instant organic booster and it makes the soil acidic instantly. If you want to take flowering from the plant instantly, you can use coffee sachet, but you have to use it in the dilute form. Take a jug of water and mix this coffee powder in that jug. The plant accepts this diluted form of coffee powder instantly and start producing flowers. You have to give ample water, and I'm just shaking this water so that the coffee powder get easily mixed with the water, and you are supposed to add it into the soil. For adding this coffee in dilute form, never dig the soil. Just give coffee water as you are watering the plant. This is the method. Now I am showing you the dry banana leaves, which also is a rich source of potassium and help the plants in flowering. I always use the dry form of banana leaves. If you want, you can also use the fresh banana leaves. Moreover, it is very helpful in the case of hibiscus plants, whether it's hybrid or non-hybrid. It is also helpful in the case of plumeria plant because these are heavy feeders, and whenever the plant is a heavy feeder, so you are supposed to provide these three categories of organic boosters in case of hibiscus plants only. I will show you how I will use it. I have taken the hybrid hibiscus plant. I'm showing you its root. For adding the organic booster, dig the soil 2 inches deep, but do it very gently because hybrid plant having the very gentle roots, and dig the soil around the plant. I mean, the roots should not be damaged. Why I am telling you that it should be 2 inches deep? Because in that case, whatever organic fertilizer you are using, it get easily adjusted at the bottom. So after this, I am removing all the soil from the plant. You can see the thin projections of the root have started appearing on the surface, which is indicating that the plant is root bound. Actually, due to my busy schedule, I did not find time to repot this. Now I am avoiding repotting the plant because right now the flower are producing,
Now I am
and the
removing
plant
the
is
soil.
in the
It is very
flower
important to
producing
remove the
mode.
soil 2 inches deep.
After this, you will add the organic boosters in this. It is very important to know the reason behind the hibiscus plant not producing flowers. So the two reason I have already told you. One is in case the root is heavily bound, and second is it is having the deficiency of some nutrients. So I am giving you the complete demonstration of three different kind of hibiscus plant for clarifying the things about this plant. You can also see the thin projections of root have started appearing on the surface, which indicating that the plant is root bound. Now I will add the peels, and I will cover the peels with the soil. First of all, just make a ring of all these peels around the plant and press it gently so that it get adjusted at the surface of the soil, and use ample leaves. And after that, just start covering all these leaves with the help of the soil which you had removed earlier. Remember one thing, whenever you add organic booster in the plant, and after covering the booster with the soil, just add water to that so that the layer of soil which we have made get easily adjusted and mixed up with the peas we have used. So this is the first method, and these are the slow organic boosters. Citrus family are the slow organic boosters, and the lemon peels make the soil acidic in case if it has turned into alkaline. So this method could be also beneficial for you too. Now I'm going to take the second pot which is having buds. I had already showed you, but not more at it should produce. Next thing which is very important, again I am repeating the entire same procedure with this pot again, and I will remove the soil. You can see the thin projections of root have also started appearing. Why we dig the soil is another thing which is very important in doing this kind of demonstration. You can also see these roots. These are the very strong roots which have started appearing on the surface. Hibiscus get root bound easily, so you also need to repot it along with using the organic boosters. These two things if you do with your hibiscus plant, you can easily get rid of this problem. And remember one thing, whenever you are digging the soil, do it gently, because if it damages the soil, the flower will not be produced at all. Now I am going to remove the soil. The second organic booster I will add to this pot, and
Here
I
I
will
will
show
add
its
the
full
dry
detail,
banana peels
also
in
share
this pot.
with you. You must know the nature of banana peel. It's a kind of slow organic booster. You can also provide it to the plumeria plant, hibiscus plant, whether it's hybrid or non-hybrid. This is the rich source of potassium, so it helps in producing the flower. I had already experimented this thing on my plumeria plant. Once it was not flowering and I had used it, and the plumeria started flowering, so that's why I'm telling you. You can see I have also added lemon peels, and now I'm going to add the dry banana leaves to it. But you need to hold patience in case of doing gardening, because gardening always demands patience. Your hard work brings fruit, but not instantly. It takes time. If I talk about myself, I always wait for the result to come. So this is the second demonstration which I have shown you in this video. Now I am covering the peels with the soil, and it is very important to remove, sorry, to add these two things I have already shared with you in this video, and the procedure is the same. But when you are going to add the coffee water in the hibiscus flower plant, never dig the soil, because coffee water you can use on the top layer of the soil. No need to disturb the soil of the plant. This is the third plant. Actually, it has produced more leaves and it is not given any flower. All the leaves are very congested to each other, you can see in the video. This is the one thing, and by this you could know easily that your plant is heavy root bound. And now you can see I am adding the coffee water in the diluted form to this. It will help the plant instantly in producing flower.